Jack slips through shattered subway gates, his footsteps echoing in the gloom. Deep underground, where trains once roared, he's carved out a secret oasis, an abandoned platform, now lush with wild tomatoes, beans, and tangled vines. Roots crack the concrete, green life reclaiming the darkness. But the tunnels are never silent. Grotesque zombies shuffle between the shadows, their rotten hands clawing at iron rails. Jack tends his garden with one eye on the encroaching horde, crossbow ready. In this forgotten world, nature fights back, but so do the undead. Jack's hope grows even as danger creeps closer.